Hey guys, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another spooky season look for you. I have this rainbow glittery skull that I'm so excited for. I'm so excited for it. Spooky season, I have my Halloween nails on. Just a great time of year. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up for me. Turn on those notification bells and let's hop right into the tutorial because I can barely wait. Alrighty guys, I'm so excited. So the first step is to block out our brows, and you can just run to your local Target, CVS, or Walmart and get some washable craft glue. I like the ones that go on purple or blue and dry down translucent. I'm just smoothing off the edges now with some Q-tips and makeup remover. Now I'm just gonna start on some color correcting, guys. I have really dark brows, so if you feel like you don't need this, you can skip this step. Next, you guys, we're just going to be covering those with our Tarte Creaseless Concealer and sealing that with our Anastasia setting powder. Now it is time for the fun part, guys. I'm just going to start by making a general roadmap of where I want the colors to start and stop. Next, I am taking a white pencil and just going along and making the general outline of where I want the skull to be. As you can see, I'm actually feeling the bones in my face to give this the most natural shape that I possibly can. It really does make a huge difference. Our next step, you guys, is to just make an outline of where we want those colors to start and end. So now we're moving on to the most time-consuming step of this look, guys, and that is our blending and our shading. For every single color except for my red, I'm going to be using my Mehron Paradise Face Paints, and then for my red, I'm using my Suva Beauty Liner. I know that a lot of people will be achieving this look with shadows, and that's why I'm not going to name every single color, but if you want to know, then I will link them down below in my description. And then I'm using my James Charles palette and just going over those colors. Hi friends, I just wanted to remind you, because I know this look is so much work and I know it's so much time and it is not for the faint of heart, but I just wanted to remind you, if you guys are like halfway through this look and you're trying to blend super well and get everything perfect, I just want to remind you of the finished product and that it's definitely worth it. So keep going. You're doing great. You're gonna look great at your Halloween party or your Instagram pics or whatever you're doing this look for. You go, girl. You got this. Alrighty friends, so it is time to carve this baby out. I am using Macaroon by Huda Beauty and a concealer brush, which is a couple shades lighter than me. So I did that on purpose because I want to look kind of washed out and ghostly. And I like doing this step after I complete all my skull because I think that it really just helps make it super sharp and really clean. Our next step, guys, is to add some cracks, and I'm just doing this using a pencil brush, and I'm doing this before we bake or set our faces just because I want them to be kind of underneath that powder. And I am using a lot just because I do want to look kind of ghostly. I'm using my Anastasia translucent powder, but I'm gonna have all my products again listed in the description for you guys if you are interested in everything that I'm using. And for contour today, guys, I'm just using a gray shadow from my CREMATED palette. I'm adding a small amount of shimmer to my eyelids using my Fenty Diamond Balm, and also highlighter to my inner corner using my Anastasia Cream Glow Kit. Alrighty friends, so now we're moving on to our teeth, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, teeth are really hard, okay? They're really hard. Luckily, this is a really like brighter, fun kind of skull, so you can get away with not adding black and just doing a light gray like I'm using. I am using my CREMATED palette. I'm gonna link all the shadows and everything for you down below. But essentially what you want to do is you want to make tiny candy corn shapes and use literally the thinnest brush that you can possibly find. I'm just going to be adding a little bit of white, guys, for some contrast and to clean this up a little bit. So I'm using Drug Lord by Jeffree Star and a pencil brush and just going over my teeth. Alrighty guys, it is time for my most favorite part of this look. So with some clear lash glue, a wet Q-tip, and some loose glitter, I'm just going to be applying that along my eye socket area of the skull. And pro tip, if you don't have anything to pick up the glitter with, wet Q-tips, girlfriend. So now I'm going to be taking my mehron face paint and just blocking out my neck and my chest, my shoulders. I'm also going to be blocking out my ears and anywhere where the color would normally touch my hairline or my skin. Alrighty guys, so this is it. This is the finished look. I am super happy about it. I'm super excited. I just love the way that it came out. It's really fun and cutie, and I just love it so much. I hope that you guys loved it also. I have so many more Halloween tutorials coming out for you guys that I am so excited for. I got my spooky nails on. They have spider webs on them. And yeah, I'm really excited. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any more of my spooky tutorials. Turn on your notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and I cannot wait to hang out with you guys next time. Bye!